Hey guys, it's Marie again, your marketing lead here at Software Merchant. Grocery stores and retailers are starting to really form an online presence and mobile application presence. Shoppers can now order almost anything they need online or on their phone. Grocery shoppers can even place an online order and just pick up the groceries without even stepping foot inside the door. However, all of these different applications used for ordering create a lot of data. For example, the web application creates a certain set of data, and the mobile application will create a completely different set of data. Software Merchant has helped digitalize Costco with easier data storage as well as create a mobile application for them so shoppers can now browse and buy on their phones. Companies do not realize that at some point they have to report on sales across all different channels such as web, mobile, and point of sale. In order to do that, companies really need a single source of data, which is aggregated, compiled, and without redundancy. Software Merchant created a case study of how they have helped Costco compile all their data, and here's the explanation of how we did a digital transformation. Hey Niraj, so I brought you in today to ask you a few questions about the Costco case study and all the technologies used behind it. So if you wouldn't mind answering a few questions about it.
Sure.
Awesome. So can you explain the digitalization project which our company undertook for Costco in 2016?
Oh, absolutely. I'll give you a really high level, overview of the project. Now, this is a very special project. Big retail company. So what we did was we consolidated a lot of their data sources and put together a mobile app. Put together, took out all the redundancy in the databases and created a BI interface using Cognos.
Okay, and what was the key challenge for this project?
Well, the key challenge for this project was the redundant databases. So a lot of the data was all over the place. The data was in Access, SQL Server, Sybase, Excel files. So there's a lot of web transactions, there's a lot of mobile transactions, so there's a lot of fragmentation of data.
Okay, and so what was the solution?
Well, the solution was to get one source, true source of database. So we chose Oracle, and we use ETL tools and everything to transform and load all the data into the Oracle database, and then have one of the very good enterprise reporting tools like Cognos to report on it, and then mobile apps which are going through the web services layer to access the same true source of data.
Okay, yeah, and so I just have one more question for you. So
Sure.
How does this benefit Costco?
Well, the key benefit is removing the redundancy. It brought the cost down. Now they have to maintain only fewer data sets, data sources. So taking out redundancy created an environment where they had less maintenance work to do, because obviously the Oracle database, one true source, that's the key. More efficient, cost friendly,
Okay,
less
great.
costly.
All right, awesome. Yeah, well, thank you for answering these questions for me.
Sure, you're welcome. Anytime.
If your company is having trouble with data storage, digitalizing is definitely something to look into. If you're interested in digitalizing your business or even just creating a mobile application, drop me an email or give me a call today.